How's it going, guys? Today we are going to be making a Reuben sandwich in a Rome pie iron. Stay tuned. So we're going to bake this sandwich, and the ingredients you need is some bread. Pick the kind you want. I'm using just white bread, some butter, some Swiss cheese. Yes, I'm using the processed in a wrapper Swiss cheese. It was on sale. You need some sauerkraut, and you need some pastrami. So way pie iron basically works is this one is cast iron. You want a cast iron one. You don't want to get one of those aluminum ones. I heard that they will warp. So anyway, it's held. It's two pieces, and it's held together with this little holder here, and then it opens up, and it opens wide. It comes apart in two pieces. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of bread, and we're going to butter one side. And what we're going to do is we're going to lay that down inside. Then we're going to take some pastrami. You do a better job than I am of putting this in there, but it's basically what you're doing is just putting some pastrami in there. Put as much as you want. You don't want to put a whole bunch because it will come out. Actually, I'm gonna put the cheese on last. I should probably put it on first. In fact, let's do that. Keeping it all real here, folks. Anyway, so we're gonna put the Swiss cheese down first. Make it a little bit easier. Then we're gonna put the pastrami. And then we're going to take some sauerkraut. This is just a can of cheap sauerkraut that I'm using. Put as much as you want on there, as little as you want. Don't put any on it at all if you don't want it. All right. Got the sauerkraut on there. Then we're going to take some Thousand Island. I don't think I told you about this a while ago, but Thousand Island is what's going to go on it. And then we're going to take the other slice of bread. Butter it up. Butter it up good. And put it on top. Excuse me. Put the butter on the wrong side, or put the butter side down by accident. Not supposed to do that. You're supposed to put it on top. And the reason you put the butter on there is to keep it from sticking. You can use non-stick spray if you want to. It just tastes better with butter. Anyway, so you're gonna take this. You're gonna hook it there, and then you're gonna bring it down, and you're gonna close it. You got this little hook here, and you're gonna snap it. Now you're gonna have bread sticking out. You don't want that bread sticking out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a knife. Butter knife would work. I'm just using this metal knife here. You just cut it off, trim it off, and we'll take it over here to the fire. So let's go. Today we are using the firebox stove. You can use a fire pit and use the coals, a campfire. You can use a stove, the eye of the stove or anything like that. Put this on there. I'm gonna have to hold this, but anyway, you put it over the heat and you let it go for a couple minutes. Turn it over, let it go for a couple more minutes, and it should be good and done. So, be right back. All right, it's been a couple minutes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it over. and get it going again. See you back in another couple minutes. All right, guys, we let it go for 2 or 3 minutes on each side, and I think it's done. So we're gonna take it off and go have a look at it. All right, folks, we are going to open it and check it out. Be careful with this. This is very hot. Oh, I had a little stickage. Not too bad. But anyway, let's see if we can, nice golden brown. And there we go. Of course, gotta clean that up, but we will do that later. See it? They get a little messy on me. I haven't done a pie iron or used a pie iron in a while, so cut this bad boy open. Ooh, it's hot. Probably should have drained that sauerkraut a little bit better. Of course, that meat wants to come out. Anyway, see it there? We'll let that cool, and we'll give it a try. All right, guys, we've had time for this to cool off some, so we're going to give it a test. I don't know if I've ever had this. I think Angie might have had it when we camped years ago using pie irons, and we haven't used them in a while, but thought it might be something you might be interested in. If you're interested in this type of recipes and maybe more with the pie iron, you want to see some more of this, hey, throw it down in the comments down below and we'll be sure to do it. So let's give it a try. Not pretty good. A little messy, but pretty good. Should have brought a napkin. But anyway, there you have it, folks. A Reuben sandwich. Doctor it up how you want. You make it how you want. This is not the recipe. This is a recipe. So do it however you want. Explore, experiment with it. Get you one of the pie irons. Like I said, I do recommend getting the Rome. They're cast iron. You will have to season it like you do other cast iron. It's well worth it. It's a lot of fun. Next thing you know, you'll end up having a bunch of those pie irons, which we did. So y'all have a good one. Make sure you hit subscribe and like, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.